Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming connectivity and account access so updates can download. Once connected, sign into the correct Google account and open the Play Store. Tap your profile icon at the top right to reveal options. This gives you access to manage apps and device. Make sure to proceed now to avoid interruptions. If you see multiple accounts, choose the one tied to app purchases and settings. These steps establish the permissions and context required for the updating flow to work smoothly. Now you navigate to manage apps and device and open updates available to see pending items. Once there, review the list and tap an app to read its changelog, required permissions, and download size so you know what changes and data impact to expect. Make sure to consider storage and battery. Enable Wi-Fi for large downloads or schedule updates. After review, tap Update All to batch install, or pick specific apps to control timing and avoid unnecessary downloads or unexpected. Finish by monitoring installation progress and letting updates complete uninterrupted, especially for large apps where background tasks can cause failures. Once done, open updated apps briefly to confirm they launch and that settings persist. If an update fails, clear the Play Store cache and data, then retry. This resolves many download conflicts. If problems persist, reboot the device, free up storage, or resync your Google account. These troubleshooting actions address the most common causes and get you back to a stable app state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.